Hey, what's happening, guys? Well, today we are going to fix the Chevy. What happened to the Chevy? Or technically it's a GMC. Well, I've been hearing this little ticking noise for a while. I thought it was just a regular old exhaust leak. Come to find out, I had a loose spark plug, and yesterday it decided to out. So I checked it out. It literally ripped the threads out of the head. So what we're doing is repairing that. Let me show you guys what's going on. We pulled the inner fender well off so we can get up in here. So yeah, that's kind of what's going on right there. Let me show you guys the kit. So let's get in here. There it is, the Thread Saver Spark Plug Port Repair Kit. And this kit, let's see, it comes with this, and then a couple of these little inserts. Sorry. So what you do is you run this in to like the old thread area, and then it recuts them. And then this goes on the spark plug. You thread it in there, and you get it down to these little, see those little like Naro looking things, and then they kind of lock in. And then you take this tool and you put it in there, and then you whack it with the hammer, and it kind of seats these things and flares them just a little bit. See, there's like a little shoulder right there. And then you put your new spark plug in and you're good to go. All right, so you probably can't see. Let's see, is it gonna focus? There we go. Yeah, look, there's threads in there. I didn't record it because I'm doing this one-handed by myself, the whole 9 yards. So anyways, all right, I hope you guys can see that there's like a little taper on the edge. So when I put that peel in there and whacked it, it kind of flattened out the edge just a little bit, and that's what kind of helps lock it in there. Yes, I did put a little bit of Loctite on there. I'm not sure if that was really the right thing to do, but that's what I did. So I'm not saying I recommend it. That's up to you. So I got the insert in there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know what's gonna make this better or worse. So basically that black ring is the insert. I didn't show you guys putting it in because basically I just put it on the spark plug, ran it down until it got snug, and gave her just a little and then we'll get a hammer and the little tool and seat that. All right, so got the spark plug in. Didn't show you guys that. That's pretty basic. But what I am gonna do is, before I put the boot back on, and put a little dielectric grease on the rubber part of the boot, so it just makes it easier the next time around. They don't tend to stick as much. I hope that's not too noisy. I got this big fan in the background because I don't know if you guys can see that. It says it's 109. It's a little warm today. So I'm just gonna put a little, you don't need a whole lot, kind of like that right there. And then I'll just take a little pick or a small screwdriver, kind of swirl her around, do that on both ends. And makes it a lot easier when you go to do the next set of spark plugs. So just gonna put this back on there, put this back on there, and then, okay, it was a success. I'm gonna go ahead and change out the rest of the plugs, and I'll give you guys a little rundown here after a while. All right, well, we got it wrapped up. Got the Changed out the rest of the spark plugs. Didn't see any issues with any of the other ones. So yeah, I got them swapped out, like I said. And I think we got it. No noises. And cross your fingers, that's all it was. And check the fuel mileage on the way home, see if maybe it got a little bit better. But anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell for notifications, and most importantly, be safe. And we'll see you on the trail. Where are you guys at? Over there somewhere. There you guys are.